Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get the BMW M3 GTR in NFS Carbon full guide. Start the game and focus on building crew reputation by winning showdowns and taking over territories. Prioritize drifting and canyon events to earn money and respect, then target specific rival crews to trigger the M3 GTR unlock. Save often and replay key races if a trigger does not activate to ensure progress toward the car. Make sure you meet core requirements before chasing the car to avoid wasted time and retries. Check your crew reputation meter and focus on territory wars to raise influence quickly. Earn cash through repeatable events and sell unused parts to afford necessary upgrades. Keep progression steady by winning showdowns and balancing money with rep, which helps ensure the M3 GTR unlock conditions are met without backtracking through earlier chapters. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future retro content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your cockpit smelling great while you cruise in the M3 GTR. I include the link and other deals in the description so you can pick one up easily. Now let's get back to the video. Follow the unlock sequence exactly to trigger the M3 GTR without glitches or missed events. Focus on rival order and avoid skipping optional races that act as hidden checks for the car spawn. After beating the required rivals, ensure you complete the final qualifying race tied to the unlock before proceeding. If the car still fails to appear, reload a save from just before the trigger race and run it again to force the correct outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.